Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 2, counting in groups. New words. Counting in twos. Counting in twos means as we have done in grade 1. Skip counting as we have done. So this is counting in twos. Next we are going to learn counting in threes, counting in 5, counting in 10. After 10, 20, 30, 40. In counting in 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Counting in threes, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. Counting in twos, after 12, 13 is skip, 14 is here, 15 is skip, 16 is here, 17 is skip, 18 is here. So let's see one by one. Now first we're going to learn counting in twos. Look, I am jumping by skipping one number. By skipping one number. You know what is this? This is a number line. On number line, numbers from 1 to 10. Now this frog is jumping from first to direct 3. The number which is skipping this frog, that is 2. Okay, so this is known as counting twos. 1, 1, 2, then 3, 3, 4, then 5, 5, direct 7. Okay, skipping one number, that is known as counting in twos. Let's see here. Counting in twos means skipping one number while counting. We can also say it means adding 2 to the previous number. Okay. Skipping one number while counting is known as counting in twos. एक नंबर बीच में छोड़ के आगे का नंबर करना, that is known as counting in twos. For example, 1 to 3. We have skipped here 2. Or you can add 2 to the previous number. For example, 1. 1 plus 2 let's see here. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Counting in twos. Then 3 plus 2, that is 5. This is known as skip counting. Okay, just you have to add 2 number to the previous number. Okay, let's see one more example. We'll add this 5 to 2. Why we are adding 2 to the previous number? To find out the counting twos. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, same as we have seen in the number line. Okay, you can see here in number line 1 we have skipped 2. By counting twos we will reach to 3. Here also 3 by adding 2 in the previous number. After 3, 5. Here also after 3, 5 is here by adding 2 in the previous number. So let's try to solve practice zone 1 on page number 23. Fill in the missing numbers by counting in twos. So simply you can skip one number and you can say the next number, or you can add 2 to this number. Okay, 9 plus 2 how much? 9, 10, 11. After 11, add 2 number to this. 11, 12, 13. Or one more way, just skip 1 and say the next number. 13. After 13 the number comes 14. So skip 14. After 14 number comes 15. Okay. Then see 39. 39, 40, 41. Skip 42, 43. Skip 44. Here comes 45. Same like this. 84. Skip 85. 86. 88. 89. Skip 89. 90. Skip 91. The number comes 92. This is known as counting in twos. Counting in twos. Now turn the page, page number 24. Counting in threes. As we have done counting in twos, we have skipped the one number. Here we have to skip the two numbers. You can see here 1, we have skipped two numbers, 2 and 3. Then the number comes 4. After 4 we have skipped two numbers, then 7 comes. After 7 we have skipped two numbers, then it reached to 10. Okay. So this is known as counting in threes. Same as we have added 2 to the previous number. As we have added 2 to the previous number in twos, now in threes we have to add 3. Suppose 1. So 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So simply what we have to do, if you are counting in twos, you have to add 2 to the previous number. If you are counting threes, so you have to add 3 to the previous number, as we have done here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Why we have added all these numbers, with 3? Because we want the number in threes. Okay. So as we have seen in the number line, 1, then 4, then 7, then 10. Skipping by two numbers. By skipping two numbers. Come on, let's solve practice zone 2. Write the next two numbers by counting in threes. So after 13, you have to skip two numbers, 14 and 15. The number comes 16. After 16, skip two numbers, 17, 18. The number comes 19. Or we can also solve by adding 3. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. This is known as counting in threes. Okay. Now 31, 32, 33. The number comes 34. 35, 36, the number comes 37. 43, 44, 45, then 46. After 46, 47, 48, then 49. After 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73 and 74. Now it's time for homework. So remove your observation book, chapter number 2, counting in groups. Page number 17. Remove page number 17 of your observation book. Question number 1. Fill in the missing number by counting twos. As we have done 12, 14, 16, 18, then 20. Like this you have to solve. Now question number 2. Write the next 4 numbers by counting in twos. So after 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like this you have to solve. This is your homework. Now turn the page number 18 of your observation book. Question number 3, counting in threes and complete. Here also same. Here you have to count in threes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and then 20. Okay. So this is your homework, page number 17 and 18. Now turn the page number 22. Question number 9. The rabbit needs to get back to its burrow. Draw the path for it through the number maze starting at twos by counting in twos up to 50. Okay, this is a rabbit. रैबिट को अपने घर बरो में वापस जाना है, तो यू हैव टू शो द वे. आप उसको रास्ता बताएंगे. कैसा बताएंगे? काउंटिंग नंबर्स इन twos. ओके. ऑन पेज नंबर 23, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. The astronaut needs to get to the rocket before it takes off. Draw the path for the astronaut starting at 3 by counting in threes up to 6. Here also same. You have to show the way to astronaut to the rocket by counting in threes. Okay. So this is your homework, page number 16, 17, 22 and 23. So complete your homework. Hope you have understood. So thank you.